Rachel,
Yeah?
what you doing? Whoops. I'm getting my finger in it. That's what I'm doing.
I'm grinding coffee.
Look at there and say it.
I'm grinding coffee.
Is it a tough job?
Yeah.
It's tough for me. I can't believe she's even
I'm
doing
stuck.
it. There you go. That works.
Try to do it smoother. Instead of fast, slow, fast, slow. And what kind of coffee is this?
I don't know.
Hopefully really good coffee.
Dominican
And I hope
Republic.
the settlers didn't have to do this because they didn't drink. They didn't have much coffee. We only have an eighth of that bag. We've been doing this for 20 minutes. I think it grinds one bean at a time.
I think they boiled the beans and chewed on them. Makes you want tea, huh? A lot easier.
Right?
You just take a tea bag and put it in a cup of water or something.
Well, yep.
Can do a little bit.
Just smack it in the face. Oh,
Did that stool work better?
yeah. I don't have a
You mean you're not really that tall?
Yeah, I am this tall.
Oh, really?
No, yeah, I'm this tall. See?
Really?
Nothing. Yeah, I'm this tall.
Uh-huh. How old are you now?
7.
Wow, you're tall for 7. Holy moly.
Enough for one pot. That's a little too fine now.
And how long does it take to
Hold on, wait.
grind?
I'm going to adjust it by adjusting this little wheel here.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2,
What? What?
3. Let's try that. Now I know we've had this for 15 years and it's still brand new.
No, it's 10.
10 years, but still brand new. After making one of these, though, I don't think it's going to work anymore. Beating the crap out of this.
Maybe we can grind some chives with it, Rachel, in the summer.
Oh, yeah. We can grind.
What is chicory? I almost bought it the other day. I just thought of that for some reason.
It's a grain. I don't know what it tastes like. It takes bitterness out of coffee.
It's a leaf.
Leaf.
I saw it in the produce at Price Right.
That's what's in the Louisiana coffee. Louisiana.
Oh my God, my arms are killing me. Yeah, that's a better grind right there. Actually, I'll do one more. See in there?
Yep. Now, how long did this take so far?
That's got to be 20 minutes for 2 pots.
2 pots? Oh.
Maybe.
Which is only 2 cups, 2.5 cups of coffee for us.
One, 2. I'll try 2. Okay.
You gonna do the whole bag?
Well, no way. Look, it's still up to here. It's been 20 minutes.
I'll chew on some of those. I like them.
Right there. 20 minutes to do that much. My arms are killing me.
Oh well. We'll take a video when we drink the coffee.
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Bye.